Hello, this is Jane and Reviews, and today let me tell you why you need this serum on your skincare routine. So this was a free sample provided by Mad Hippie, and I just love it. This is my favorite serum so far. It's 1.02 ounces, and it has vitamin C and 8 active ingredients, including hyaluronic acid, which is great because it smooths your skin, no wrinkles. You can put it all over your face. This is how it looks. So the routine that you want to do is clean your face, and right after cleaning, you can put, I like to put 2 drops on each side of my face. And this is how it looks. It looks just like a clear liquid. And all you want to do is rub it in circular motions on your skin. And right after that, you can go ahead and proceed to moisturize your skin, put the under the eye cream, and put your makeup. Look, it looks amazing, smells good. I like it also because it's vegan, cruelty free, and it helps if you have acne. This is great for skins with acne. So look how pretty it looks under makeup. You can barely tell that I have so many things on under my makeup, and I just love this one. Thank you for watching my video.